Okay. I am what I eat. Now, can you listen?
Mm-hmm.
Donuts, chips, hot dogs, soda. Yummy! I eat them every chance I get while watching my favorite TV show, while studying, while riding in the car, and especially when my parents are not around. One day, I have a tummy ache. Ouch! I could not sleep. Dad and Mom had to bring me to the hospital. Doctor May asked, "What did you eat?" I said, "Donuts, chips, hot dogs, soda, all of my favorite food." Doc May shook her head and said, "Now we know why. You are what you eat. If you fill your body with junk, it becomes unhealthy and you get sick." What did the child in the story do?
He ate junk. He ate all his favorite food, and then his tummy hurt and he cannot sleep. And his mom and dad bring him to the hospital.
Yeah, why do you think the story titled "I am what I eat"?
Because he likes everything, his food, and when his mom is not around and his father and he's doing his homework and while he's watching TV.
How should you act when your parent is not around, Althea?
You have to behave and you have to study when your mom and family are at the trip.
Are you doing that?
No,
Why?
I don't know. Because I don't know how to read. But
What is your favorite food?
I like junk food a little bit and healthy food. And some health.
I know what is your favorite food.
What?
Apple
Yeah, that is my favorite food.
and taho.
Yeah, how do you know that?
Mm. Why do you like apple and taho?
Because they're healthy and more stronger. The apple make me grow and make me sleep and know how to read a little bit.
How often do you eat? How often do you eat apple?
2 times.
2 times. Lunch. We show respect to our body by taking care of it. We show respect others through our words. Greetings are words of a welcome and respect. Leave takings are words used to say goodbye or end a conversation. Practice saying these greetings with a partner. Hello. Hi. How are you? What is your name? It's
Althea.
nice to see you again.
I'm Althea.
Okay. So these are the practice greetings. And you say, "Good morning, Althea."
Good morning, Chacha.
"Good evening, Althea."
Good evening, Chacha.
"Good afternoon, Althea."
Good afternoon, Chacha.
"How are you?"
I am good. How are you?
"I am fine. What is your name?"
Althea.
"Nice to meet you, Althea."
Nice to meet you too, Tita.
Okay, practice this leave taking with a partner. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
See you later.
See you next time.
See you next time.
See you on Monday.
See you on Monday.
Take care and good night. These are
Take
the
care and good
leave
night.
taking with partners. So this is the
And
greetings
good
that
evening.
no.
Huh?
This is like when you're about to say bye-bye. Like you have to leave your partner. So if I say, "I'll go now, Althea." "Goodbye, Althea."
Goodbye, Tita.
"See you later, Althea."
See you later, Tita.
"See you next time, Althea."
See you next time, Tita Cha.
"See you on Monday, Althea."
See you on Monday, Tita.
Take care.
Take care.
Good night.
Good night.
Okay. Imagine yourself as a superheroes with words as your secret power. What power words will you say to each friend? Act out of your answer. So what is your superpower words?
Thank you. See you next time.
So for example is you are so kind. It means you have to compliment your friend. You're
Thank
so
you.
kind, Althea.
I will compliment. Thank you.
I'm happy to see you.
My answer is happy to see you too.
Okay. Can you guess the names used for these persons? Children, boy, neighbor, woman, teacher, doctor, classmate, parents. Meet my new...
Friend.
Ano sagot mo dito?
My new friend.
Classmate.
My new classmate.
Okay.
What is this?
My mom and dad is my parent.
Parent.
My mom and dad is my
Parent.
parent. Okay. Can you guess the name used for this person? The blank across the street. Children, boy, woman, neighbor, teacher, doctor, classmate, parents. The
This one.
Ano to siya?
Teacher.
boys.
Boy.
The boy are crossing the street. Or no, the children. The children
Is crossing the street.
are
Crossing.
crossing the street.
Crossing.
Why did I say children? Because it's more than one. Okay?
You have to stop when there is a car crossing too.
Okay. My blank lives near our house.
The blank is living at our house.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
My neighbor lives near our house.
My neighbor lives under my house.
Pwede din siguro siya, my teacher live near our house.
My teacher.
Or my classmate lives near our house.
Teacher, I have one classmate that is almost near at my house.
The blank is kind to all his pupils. What is this? A teacher. The teacher is kind to all his pupils. The blank gives me a checkup. Who gives a checkup? The doctor.
This one, I picked this one, boy.
Yeah, see the doctor.
It's so funny, like here.
The blank wears a cap. So this is the, ano siya?
Boy.
Correct. A blank is a grown-up girl. Ano to siya?
A black teacher.
Okay. Pwede din siya a woman. A woman is a grown-up girl. Well done. Thank you.
You done?
Hmm.